Hey, welcome back inside the Horton Research and Development Center. I'm Doug Sidney. Horton DM Advantage On, Off, and 2-speed fan clutches are two of the most common engine cooling parts on the road today. They're also some of the simplest to replace. The only tools you'll need are a ratchet, a socket set, your socket extension, and a torque wrench. Here's how to replace it. First, you'll remove the fan using the ratchet and the 9/16 inch socket. Then, remove tension and take off the belt. Next, remove the airline. Then, unbolt the fan drive using the ratchet and the socket required for the truck you're working on. Now, take the new drive and bolt it in. The required torque can be found in the truck's manufacturing specs. Now you'll reinstall the belt, reattach the airline, and bolt the fan back on. Be sure and set the torque to 35 Newton meters for 2.56 inch pilot fans and 20 Newton meters for 5 inch pilot fans. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Check out HortonWW.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information and instructional videos.